Splat the cat. Splat and Simar, best friends forevermore. Splat and Simar were best friends. They did everything together. You and me, said Splat. Me and you, Simar said. Friends forever. What can I do for my favorite friend? The friend I adore, wondered Splat. I know, I'll throw Simar the best surprise party ever, with treats and game and galore. Let's see, there has to be cake and ice cream and candy, horns and streamers and balloons, fancy hats and much, much more. The next morning, when Splat ran to call all his friends, Simar ran too. Uh-oh, Splat thought, how can I plan or go to the store when I'm always with my friend Simar? Splat tiptoed into the kitchen to whisper his plan to his mom. That's great, she said, but how can you get out of the door without Simar? I have an idea, said Splat. Simar, why don't you play with little sis, said Splat. Mom and I have to go to the store, and it's going to be such a bore. Simar nodded, but he was surprised. He'd never been left at home before. At the store, Splat piled the cart with more and more. There were too many yummy ice cream flavors for him to ignore. At home, Splat told Simar, I have to do some chores. Plank said you can visit him and you two can play outdoors. Won't that be fun? Simar nodded, but he was puzzled. Why would Splat want him to play with Plank? Splat and Simar had always done everything together before. Splat went to work. He baked a cheesecake for Simar's party. Then he baked 4 more. He cooked wanted more. He made a huge bowl of chocolate cheese pudding. Spike is playing a soccer game, and he asked me to keep score. I'll be back before you can shout. Simar's whiskers dropped. Why was Splat leaving him out? Splat pedaled fast. He invited all his classmates. Then he invited more, even Mrs. Wimpy Dimple, at the cat twins next door, and the cat twins next door. Finally, it was party day. Splat had to get Simar away. Simar, I promised Kitten I would play with her. But I have to do more chores. Could you go over without me? Simar liked Kitten, so he agreed, but felt sad. Didn't Splat want him around anymore? Splat had to decorate fast. He hung bright streamers, he blew up colorful balloons, and then he blew up more and more. If only Simar knew what was in store. Splat had even made a banner that is red. It's Simar's party day. Kitten was there decorating too. She was decorating some more. Let's play dress up. Look, here's a fancy outfit. Look, that's my doll once wore. And held out a mirror. And Samar jumped in surprise. As great as this outfit is, it's not my style, he said. I'm sorry. That was such a bore. I found just the thing, said Kitten. It's a fairy dress and sparkling wand. You can be a fairy to adore. No more, yelled Samar. Splat, I'm coming home, even if you don't love me anymore. Samar came home in the door. His tail and whiskers sagged. He had never felt alone before. Surprise! Everybody yelled. Splat yelled the loudest. Samar's eyes opened wide up at the uproar. A party? A party? Just for me? That's why you kept me away. Hooray! Samar ate ice cream and cake and candy and popcorn and cheese galore. He opened presents and he ate some more. But best of all, he was with Splat again. Oh, Splat, squealed Samar. This was the best party ever. You and me, said Splat. Me and you, Samar said. Friends forevermore.